Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So solution, you have turn off Wi-Fi and reconnect. While you have seen your Wi-Fi is not working, so first solution you have disconnect and reconnect from here. Then second solution, you have enable and disable airplane mode. So you have open the setting, click on airplane mode and turn on and off from here. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. Restart iPhone, an effective fix for solving severe iPhone network problem. When you start the device, the RAM is clearly broken, task or reset, misbehaving, and get a fresh start, and more as a result, temporary problem get addressed. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution, you have turn off VPN. You might face issues when VPN is connected in some cases, and with some app and website. To fix this, turn off the VPN using this application or open the setting, click on general. So then you have scroll up, click on VPN and device management not connected, so you have disconnect from here. Then last solution, you have reset network setting. This will delete all the network setting on your iPhone like save Wi-Fi, Bluetooth device, VPN configuration, etc., and restore them to default. However, personal data like photos, videos, contents app will not be affected. Only you have network setting is reset. Open the setting again, click on general again, click on transfer and reset, click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have entered a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting if your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.